In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix MoneyGram verification pending too long. So, the first thing you need to do is to make sure all your account information is correct, including your ID, email, and phone number because missing or mismatched details can delay verification. Next, clear your browser cache or try using different browser or device, as sometimes technical glitches can cause the pending status to stick. You can also check your email for any verification requests or messages from MoneyGram that you might have missed and respond immediately. If it's still stuck, the fastest method is to contact MoneyGram support directly through their website or chat. Explain the issue and provide any requested documents. They usually respond within 24 to 48 hours. And finally, once everything is confirmed, refresh your account or log out and log back in, and your verification should be updated. So that's it.